Eatable gold. Gold is one of the world's most luxurious and expensive materials. It's commonly used to garnish premium dishes, like pizza and chocolate. Just 10 milligrams of this edible metal can cost about $40. That's roughly $40 per serving. While many people question its purpose, it has become a staple in gourmet cuisine. But have you ever wondered how this extravagant ingredient is actually made? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating process of turning gold into edible flakes. Edible gold is used in many fine dining restaurants to elevate their dishes' presentation. Some chefs avoid using gold in their cuisine, considering it gimmicky, since it contains no nutrients and has no flavor. But it's specially processed to be safely digested without leaving traces in the body. Currently, India is the world's largest consumer of edible gold, using about 12 tons annually, primarily for decorating wedding cakes. Gold leaf is also used in restoring artworks and interior decorations. The tradition of using gold in food dates back to ancient Egyptian times. Back then, they made cone-shaped bread containing gold particles. The Egyptians added gold to their food, believing it could enhance their health. For centuries, the center of gold leaf production has been Kanazawa, Japan. The gold leaf made here accounts for 99% of Japan's total production. Creating gold leaf requires specific environmental conditions. The region's high humidity makes the process particularly challenging. To begin production, 1-carat gold pieces are melted and rolled into paper-thin sheets. This meticulous process has been perfected here over 400 years. Gold leaf is incredibly delicate, requiring both humid conditions and skilled artisan hands. The process starts with pure gold mixed with silver, which is melted to form an alloy. The gold mixture is then placed in a pan. Gold alloy with a small amount of silver is melted. The gold pieces are placed in a dry pan and heated to 1,200 degrees Celsius. The molten gold is poured into molds, forming gold bars. These are quickly cooled and prepared for pressing. The gold bars pass through rollers, becoming thin wafers. This requires specialized machinery. The gold sheets are then processed further by machine into sheets about 15 microns thick. That's 3 times thinner than human hair. The sheets are then cut into squares because gold generates static electricity. The final gold leaf measures just 0.005 millimeters thick. Now begins the most crucial stage, making it astonishingly thin. The hammering process takes 45 to 60 minutes per batch. However, today this process is often automated using mechanical hammers until reaching the desired thinness. The hammering's heat softens the gold, allowing it to spread until paper thin. The resulting gold leaf is so delicate, it requires extreme care. Now comes the most skilled part, separating and cutting the gold leaf. From this point onward, everything must be done by hand, demanding exceptional skill and patience to handle such fragile material. Artisans gently tap each leaf surface to inspect quality, then carefully blow on each sheet to position it onto paper. This method creates the softest gold leaf, perfect for food decoration. The work is painstaking, as even a drop of saliva could ruin the product during handling. Leftover fragments are collected and recycled for future use. These gold leaves will adorn dishes at the world's most exclusive restaurants. This is edible gold leaf in its incredible creation process. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please share with your friends. This is Alpha Machines. See you next time, bringing you fascinating perspectives. Don't forget to like and subscribe.